Hey, this is Dave at House Barons. Today we're going to show you how we install GarageMate. It's a Bluetooth garage door opener. And we're also going to compare to MyQ, which we installed a few months ago at the beginning of the year. That MyQ was a little difficult to get all paired up and all working, and it worked great for about 5 days. And after that, it didn't work anymore. And there was a total hassle. It would keep losing connection. And the Wi-Fi router is literally 15 feet away from this garage door, from the MyQ garage door opener, and it just didn't work. So I went online and looked at a lot of places, looked at a lot of reviews, and found this GarageMate. They were low on stock, and I had to wait for this to come in. I left them an email, and they said they would let me know when they came in, and sure enough, they did. I had some questions whether this Genie garage door opener would actually work with it, because I didn't want to order another garage door opener and have it be just a paperweight, wasted money. And so I talked with them, and they were super helpful. We'll show you how it did. Okay, this is our what we got in the GarageMate box that we just ordered. This is going to pair with the app, and it's just a plug that goes into the wall, and a couple wires are going to go into the garage door opener itself. First, we're going to download the app, and then we'll give this a quick connection and see how it works. Okay, so this side right here go to the sensors, and this side right there, that white and red one, those are the ones we want to add these wires to. I'm going to use a screwdriver here and twist that, or release that wire. All right, so I'm going to pull both the wires out. White was on the right, red is on the left. There we go. All right, so I'm taking both wires, both the whites, and I'm just going to twist them together. And make sure they're on really good, because I want them both to go in the same hole together and not one or the other, which will just be a mess. All right, so I've done that, the white and the red. Now we'll just go ahead and do the red first. That was the one on the left. Go. Both of those are in. Now let's do the one on the right, the white one. We want to make sure that they're not touching each other and shorting out. All right, so we got the wires plugged in. Here's the part that's going to pair, that blue button there, we're going to use to pair with the app. But first we're going to plug this in to our ceiling outlet here, and they give you more than enough cord. So plug that in. All right, so now we'll go to our GarageMate app, and then we make it ready to pair by holding this for 4 to 5 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 2005, 2006. When I release, they said it should start blinking every second or so. It says open the GarageMate app, and we'll click pair. It says cannot pair. Info. It says hold the receiver button for 4 seconds and release. Do not keep holding the button, and don't count too slow. For security reasons, the receiver checks that you have held the button for at least 3 seconds, but not longer than 6. So 4 seconds. Okay, here we're going to try this again. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Go through the app again. It says receiver found. It says to pair with this, and it gives you a pairing pin. Pair. So we're going to type in the pairing pin and hit pair. Success. You have successfully paired your mate with your receiver. Note some iPhones will require a restart after pairing. We'll hit OK. It looks like it's there. It says Garage 1. We'll give it a shot. Oh, there we go. All right, let's try it, have it come down again. And we'll try to put it down. Yeah. Look at that. Well, that setup could not have been much easier. Literally plug in those two wires, plug in the power, and activate the app. Pretty good. We opted to get the GarageMate because the reviews were really good. It's using Bluetooth, and we already had a bad experience with MyQ with the Wi-Fi. So we're gonna try and see if Bluetooth does a better job. If down the road something happens and this GarageMate doesn't perform, we'll definitely let you know. But so far so good. Hope this video helps. If you got anything out of it, give us a thumbs up, we appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.